morning students. Now we are start our today's class in the subject of political science, and we read the chapter The Crisis of Democratic Order. In this chapter we read the incidence of emergency, which is the first time proclaimed in India, and our today's topic is Gujarat and Bihar movement. Any types of government, when people get revolt, it means government was not worked properly. That incidence also, like in Indira's period, there are commodities price to very high, corruption charges also there. They are conflicted by judiciary. So that types of incident made in that era, in 70s era. So in that time, students which is lived in Gujarat and Bihar, they start a movement against their states governments. In Gujarat, firstly, Gujarat's state students get start a movement against government, and they are call up to their local government, state government, for the issues of high prices of commodities, corruptions, lots of so opposition gets seen in their movement of a chance, and opposition suddenly support the students, and Congress O leader, which is Morarji Desai, is also support to student movements and call to their local government, which is state government, to resign for state assembly and start a start a re-assembly elections. So Gujarat in June 75 there are announced elections and Congress were defeated. And second, in 1974 Bihar, there also movement. There also start a movement against the local Bihar governments, and mention this in Gujarat and Bihar, both are states. They are Congress government, and so Bihari's student also get start a movements to against Congress government, Congress state government, to the reasons of commodity prices and corruption charges. So unemployment also. There are great leader in Bihar, in our nation also, Jayaprakash Narayan, and students call to him. He is joined to their movements. So Jayaprakash Narayan also, who had given up active politics, and he was involved to social work. To let the students movement, he accepted it on the conditions. There are taking at conditions, which conditions, that the movement will remain the non-violent and will not limit itself only Bihar. It means the JP want to movement spread all over country. So the students are start about to support JP Narayan, means Jayaprakash Narayan. Jayaprakash Narayan. So Jayaprakash Narayan joined the movement, and the whole movement turned to as a total revolution. It's called to total revolution, and Mr. Jayaprakash Narayan also called it to strike for railways and police and militaries also. They are leave their jobs. So big problem and conflict creating country, and country just stop. Our country just stop. So you think which types of condition face our country in that time, and that is a big disappointed issues for Indira Gandhi. When the movement start in Gujarat and Bihar, it seems like a very short issues, but when JP and other political parties engage in this movement, so that is look about it is a very big issues like corruptions and the prices of commodities. After that, the whole country got paralyzed, and big opposition parties like Bharatiya Janasangh, Congress O, and Bharatiya Lok Dal, Socialist Party, they all are supported to Mr. JP Narayan, Mr. Jayaprakash Narayan. So that is create a big conflict in our country, and Indira Gandhi faced a big problem to their life, their political life, And after that, what incidents we look about there,